Spicing things up, a dash of excitement in language. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting and flavorful expression, spice things up. This phrase is a fantastic example of how language can capture the essence of adding excitement or variety to our lives, just like spices do in cooking. So, let's explore together how this phrase can enrich your English vocabulary and conversation skills. The expression, spice things up, is a metaphorical phrase used to describe making something more interesting, exciting, or varied. The word, spice, here is key, drawing a parallel to how adding spices to food can transform it from bland to flavorful. When we say we want to spice things up, we are essentially saying we want to add some zest, excitement, or variety to a situation, activity, or relationship. In everyday life, imagine you find your daily routine boring. You might decide to spice things up by trying a new hobby, like painting or rock climbing, adding a new element of fun and challenge to your life. In relationships, couples often seek ways to spice things up in their relationship to keep the romance alive. This could mean planning a surprise date night, taking a dance class together, or traveling to a new place. At work, even in professional settings, there's room to spice things up. For example, if team meetings have become monotonous, introducing interactive activities or changing the meeting location can inject new energy and creativity into the team. While spice things up is generally positive, it's important to consider the context in which it's used. The phrase is versatile but best suited for informal or casual conversations. In more formal contexts, it's crucial to choose words that match the situation's tone and formality. And that wraps up our exploration of spice things up. We hope this video has added some flavor to your understanding of this vibrant expression and inspired you to think about how you can introduce more excitement into various aspects of your life and language. Remember, the beauty of language learning is not just in acquiring new words, but in using them to enrich your communication and experiences. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content soon.